Welcome back to the STEAM Princess. I'm Ray. Today we're going to decorate cute Easter bunny cupcakes, and this is what they'll look like. Isn't it cute? Now first you have to put icing on the top of the cupcake. Now we're also going to smooth this out.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it into some coconut. Marshmallow, and now we're just going to snip the end off. And also get a parent if you need help. Now we're going to put it into some pink sprinkles. The marshmallows. Now we are going to put them into our thingies. Now we're going to put some eyes on. Now we're going to put a little pink sprinkle on to make its nose. And here it is. These are what they both turned out to be like, and give us a comment up and look on the STEAM Princess account or Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye.